Hello, namaste, namaskara. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Stock Market Teacher. This channel provides you with freely understanding of how the levels are marked on Nifty and Bank Nifty. This channel teaches you how to trade, where are the demand, where is the bearishness, where is the bullishness coming on the charts. Okay, I share my experience with you guys on how the price action works. All right, so understand this. Okay, it's very important. I share my years of experience with you. Okay, on this channel. Okay, and ask questions if you have any questions. All right, and comment in the comment section. Like the video if you really enjoy seeing this video. If you this videos these videos of mine have really helped you in understanding the levels. Okay, now I made a mistake today in one of the trades. Okay, I was not paying full attention to the chart. Okay, I was not paying full attention to the chart, and I just a few minutes of delay would have made me a good profit. Okay, and nevertheless, this is a learning again. Okay, everybody learns in the market, no matter how long they have been playing the markets. Okay, I will tell you what that mistake was at the end of the video. Okay, so watch this video till the end. As I keep saying, do not skip part by part just to finish the video. Okay, and you have a lot of learning that you can take away from understanding how the charts work. Now, in my yesterday's video, okay, for today's trading session, I had marked the levels clearly. Okay, I had marked the resistance levels, I marked the support levels, and in today's session, if you see, those levels were clearly broken. Okay, the resistance levels. Okay, I'm talking about the resistance levels were clearly broken on Nifty and Bank Nifty. Okay, and in turn they ended acting as a support levels, and there were opportunities for trade to be taken both on the long side as well as on the short side on Nifty and Bank Nifty. Okay, so you can watch the video that I have uploaded yesterday. You can see how I mark those levels, what am I looking at in the charts to mark those levels, and beautifully these levels are being respected, which helps you. Okay, I repeat it, it helps you to avoid any impulse trades, to avoid taking the trades in place where there is supply, in place where there is demand. Okay, so it will help you to make trades very meaningfully, and by looking at the purely the price action. You see on the charts I place nothing at all, I make it simple. All right, so please watch the video which I uploaded yesterday, and you will see how the price action reacted on these levels in today's session. All right, so let's begin by understanding what happened in today's session on Nifty and Bank Nifty. First, we'll analyze Nifty, and then we'll go to Bank Nifty. We'll see where the Nifty could face resistance or where it could find support in tomorrow's session. Today was the RBI policy. There was a 25 bps rate hike. Okay, there was not much volatility, but there was a good price movement. So let's see what could tomorrow bring in for the traders. All right. So as I begin with, I mark the high and the low. So let me start marking the high and the low levels on Nifty. Okay, so this is the Nifty level that I'm marking on. Okay, so this is the high for the day. Okay, around this level, this is the high for the day. The high for the day on Nifty was 98.70, so close to 17,900 level was the high for the day. And the low for the day, let's mark the low for the day. The low for Nifty was around this particular level, which is your 17,744 levels, and I mark that level with a blue color dotted line. Okay, so this is your high and the low level. Okay, so this is your high and low level, which is marked on the level. This is the first thing. Next, let's understand where the Nifty could face resistances or where it could find support in tomorrow's session. Okay, it's very important. Now, yesterday we had marked this level which could become resistance in today's session, but in today's session what happened, this resistance was broken. Okay, we had clearly marked this yesterday's high. This resistance was broken in today's session. The price went up, and we had highlighted this zone as a resistance zone. In the video we can go and see it, this zone as a resistance. See what happened, this clearly took a resistance. This was a shorting opportunity here, and the price fell down. And when it fell down, where did it come to? The level that we had marked yesterday. Look at this. This is the level which I had marked yesterday. This resistance, if once broken, it might act as a support. And what it did, it acted as a support. So now you know there was a short opportunity, there was a long opportunity by understanding just the levels which I had highlighted in yesterday's video. So it is that simple. Okay, it's that simple here. In today's session, you could see you could have made a good money here. Okay, and the mistake that I made, as I was mentioning, I will discuss this at the end of the session. What was the mistake that I made? So now let's understand where could be the demand. Now this zone, okay, this zone here will, okay, act as a support levels. Okay, this is the level where the Nifty could find support in tomorrow's session. Okay, this is the level the Nifty could find support in tomorrow's session if the price comes down to that particular level. Okay, now these levels, okay, these levels, okay, are your resistance levels. Now Nifty, okay, you see here, this is the level which was broken slightly. There was no comfortable break that you can see on Nifty here, so I would not take it as Nifty as comfortably broken yet. So but let's see, this is the supply zone that we had marked, and we will continue keeping that level as our supply zone here. Okay, as the supply zone. So this is your Nifty supply zone. So what is that level? 17,880 to 17,900 is your supply zone. Okay, 17,800 to 17,820 is your demand zone. This is the where the Nifty, if the price continues to fall in tomorrow's session, it could look at the support at this level also. Okay, also if you see here, okay, also you could see a support here. Now what you're seeing here, you see the price came down, price went up, price came down. Here is another support which could act, which could be taken into consideration for tomorrow's session. So all you need to do is wait and watch how, if the price comes to this level, how it reacts. What are, is there a process that you follow? Do you see any kind of price action? Is there any kind of level that you watch out for? You need to watch out for all that. Take into consideration, put a risk management in place, and then take your trade. So what is that level? 17,820, to 17,850 levels. That could be another support level for Nifty here around this particular. It might not come, you know, exactly at this point. That's why I marked the zone. This could be a support zone here. Okay, so this is your support level. This is your another support level. So let's wait and watch how the Nifty price action might bring us in tomorrow's session. Also, if you go back into the chart, we have a major hurdle here around 18,000 mark. Okay, we have a major hurdle here around 17,980 to 18,000 mark. Okay, if this level gets broken, okay, you never know what might happen, or if this level uh, gets broken, we could see new highs in Nifty in the markets. So what are we watching for tomorrow's session? I hope these levels have made it clear for you what you need to look out for. This is your resistance level. Why I'm marking this level? This tells me that I should not immediately take a long trade here. I should wait for any price action to show me that the resistance is broken comfortably and then take a long trade, or there is any kind of selling coming in through the candlestick pattern or any other flow that you look at in the chart, and then I can look at taking a long position. Okay, if the price continues to fall here and it comes around to this level, we could look at a long position here. But again, we need to watch out how the price action behaves, any candlestick patterns that could appear here, because this is a long position. This could also be a kind of a support here. Suppose for any reason there is a gap down overnight news, this is a major strong support for, okay, because this was a major hurdle for it. The price broke, okay, and it acted as a, it could act as a support in tomorrow's session. All right, so these are the levels that you need to watch out for in tomorrow's session on Nifty. Let's now go and look at Bank Nifty. Okay, let's start with marking the high and the low for Bank Nifty. So let me start with marking the low on the Bank Nifty. So this is your low for Bank Nifty. Okay, so what's the low on Bank Nifty? You could see that it is 41,400 levels is the low for Bank Nifty, and you see most of today's price session on Bank Nifty was range bound. You could see the price actually moving between 41,400 to 41,600 level. So this is the Bank Nifty level okay, which is a range bound here. Okay, so that's the marked as low level. Now let me mark a high on Bank Nifty. Now what's the high on Bank Nifty? It is around 41,800 level is your Bank Nifty high. Okay, so these are the levels that I have marked. Now let's wait and let's see where is the supply might come in, where the demand might come in. That is, I'll mark where is the resistance zone and where is the supply zone. Clearly now I can see this is a one resistance zone here. Okay, so this is a resistance zone here. Okay, all right, around this level. See here the price, we had highlighted this level in yesterday's video. The price fell from 41,700. Today again in today's session, this was clearly a no zone for taking a long position. This was a clear zone for shorting. Okay, this is a clear zone for shorting. If anybody had taken a long position, seeing that, oh my god, the price is moving higher, it is breaking out, okay, and then let me take a long position, would have been trapped and would have lost money in today's session. Okay, the price came down. Okay, and we had highlighted this level in yesterday's session, which was marked as a resistance. Once broken, could act as a support, and that acted as support in today's session. And you see the price came down beautifully, and it took a support around that particular zone, which is near to the low of the day. Now what is that support level that I'm looking at? The low of the day and 41,400 to 41,450 levels. This is your support level. You see here the price bouncing from this, price bouncing from this level. This is your support level, and there is a narrow range, and you can clearly see this is the resistance zone here on this particular chart for Bank Nifty. This could act as another resistance zone. So many times the price has touched and gone back, touched and gone back. So there is a narrow range here, 41,590 to 41,610 levels. Around this level, if this is a major hurdle, this is a hurdle resistance level. So you could see a lot of hurdles here, small close by hurdles, which could be used for scalping if you are a scalper kind of trader. So you can use these levels for a breakout and to book your profits around this level for the target. So you can follow any of the styles that you are looking at. If in case the price opens around this level and there is a bulls coming back and trying to push the price higher, you could see it in the price action, and there could be a long opportunity here. If there is a gap up to these levels or to the day's high, that is today's high, clearly you should not be looking at going a long position, rather wait and watch if there is any shorting opportunity. Okay, now where else it could find support? Now the support could be found, this is a strong support here around this level. Okay, on Bank Nifty, you can see the price making a major move from this level 41,090 to 41,120 levels, a huge move from this level. So this is a strong support for it. We don't know whether it will come down here to this level. Okay, and there is another support level here. So Bank Nifty has major resistances or supports to move across before it gives us a clear direction. Okay, that is what I'm looking at the Bank Nifty. I hope these levels are clear. And as this level is still intact, the 42,000 level on Bank Nifty. Okay, if you could see the Bank Nifty here, there is a major supply or a hurdle for Bank Nifty, that is around 42,000 level. If the price directly opens a gap up, we will have to wait and watch for the price action and see how the price moves. Okay, so these are your levels for Bank Nifty. Wait and watch. If there is a signal to short at the resistance level, that would be a clear short. If there is signal to take a long position, it would be clear long position around the levels that are marked around the support zone. Okay, so as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, okay, what is the mistake that I did in today's session? Okay, I follow candlestick patterns and the price action patterns to make an entry. Now a bit of a hurriedness on my part here. I was planning to take a short position around this level. Okay, I was planning to take a short position around this level. I did not take here around this level, but I was planning to take a short position if the price comes back to this level. Now as the price bounced up, okay, I saw a kind of a lower wick and I did not give full attention to it, which is a big mistake on my part. I saw a higher wick here and I shorted here. Okay, even though my plan was to short here, I made a mistake here by shorting here. But here I ended up taking a flat, no profit, no loss. I just came out of the trade with a flat position. If I had shorted here, there was a good profitable position that I could have entered. Just a mistake which was really stupid. not looking at the chart, not concentrating. And that's another thing that I want to highlight it. Have your full concentration on the price action on the chart. You cannot multitask. Okay, it's very, very important because it's your hard-earned money on the line. And if you make this kind of silly mistake, and you sometimes you could end up losing big. Thankfully, I got out of the position, realized my mistake. Okay, and a flat day for me. All right, guys, so I hope this video is of help to you. You have understand Nifty and Bank Nifty levels from my chart. And if you like the video, please click on the like button. Share it with your family and friends. As I keep saying, more the sharing of the knowledge, the better the learning for everybody. Okay, subscribe to my channel Stock Market Teacher and hit on the bell notification so that whenever I upload a video, you are notified immediately. All the best for tomorrow's trading. Thank you.